Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, for today's video guys, most requested, ayan, ang white panties and black. Okay, so there is more subscribers telling me I should wear white. So because black is beautiful to me, so I will wear black. So for today's video guys, I have two whites. Ayan, cases. And of course this one, a love, and of course this one, black one. Okay, so guys, this one sorry, this one guys, ayan, maganda siya, large. I really like this one guys. Ayan, ganito ang kailang loob. White is very clean one. Ayan, so cases talaga siya. And this is my favorite. I like the low cut, the high cut guys, yung hindi siya buo yung puwet. So I really like this one guys. So people told me, my subscribers told me like white is good to me. So I did a video white and black because they said it's most requested. Okay, black. Ito sa likod. And then ito naman siya guys, same din siya. This is large. Tatlo to ay large. So ganito siya guys. I really like this also, ganyan. So large din to siya, and it is for worth 39 pesos. Same din yung isa, 39 pesos. Actually, lahat to sila. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and subscribe, and comment below. I will read your comment. Okay, ganito siya sa loob. So, maganda siya, guys. Okay. Ganito din yung kanyang likod. May mga print siya, but anyway, as long as white. Ito lang nakita kong white. And then, the black one naman, ganito siya. Ayan. Ganito ang kanyang print. Lipstick, cases, hearts, ganyan. So ganito din yung kanyang back. I can wear this for everyday use because it's really nice. Okay? Ayan. Ganito ang kanyang loob. So, very comfortable to wear din siya, guys. And I really like this. Ganyan siya. Ganito siya, guys. So, comment below ha, or comment heart kung nagustuhan niyo ang aking video ha, if you like the video. Okay, this white and black. Let's do this. This is the white one. Ayan, the first white, I like it. Diba, ang ganda niya, ang ganda ng atake niya guys. I really like it, very comfortable to wear. The quality also is good. Ayan, ito rin siya guys, I like it. Diba? Maganda talaga siya, guys. Suot natin ang isang white. Yung itim muna. So, you can see the difference between white and the black one. Black one, ayan, maganda talaga siya. I really like it. Black is beautiful. Ganito siya sa likod. Ayan. Diba? Maganda din ang black. Then, people always say me, white is beautiful. Okay. And they like white. But anyway, you have different, guys. Ayan. Siya. So, ulit natin ang isa pang white. White, pangalawa guys. I like it. Ayan. Maganda din. I like it. Ayan. Kita ko sa inyo guys. Diba? I really like the color. The quality also is nice. 40 pesos only, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone.